Good morning. My name is Guillermo Antonio Luna Jimenez. I am 27 years old. I am sire in home center. My material status is Free Union. I am responsible, love you, dedicated, honest, funny, and very human. And live in Santa Marta, Colombia. I'm New York called New Mission. Good morning, Lord. Who shot me the letter? Good welcome. Clear that jets. Tax you can initiate breathe water. Okay. Do you want fix? Yes. You must hot the bags. It's war specialty. Should have salmon. Yes. You may a dessert to curry. Yes, sir. You must receive award for excellent attention. Thank you.